So welcome to Veda Day 23, and I'm sorry I have to do a car vlog. I am on my way out to Kenny Chesney, and it was a busy day. I was working from home, and I worked from 7 to 3, and then I'm right on the road. So I just didn't have a chance to stop and do a video. So anyway, today's prompt is to show us if there is something that you collect. And I have tried not to do this. I have enough clutter in my life. I'm not the neatest person in the world, so things I do have, you know, do take up space, and I don't want to be one of those people that has like a collection of certain things. Useful things, fine, but like not figurines and things like that. But growing up, I did love frogs, and so I did kind of develop a little bit of a collection of frogs just as gifts from people, and then also Dopey. I showed you my collection of frogs in the video that I did that showed a portion of my day when I was at work. Most of those stuffed animals are the frogs that I own. I have a couple more, but they're actually in storage right now, so I can't even show you that. And then there's I have a few Dopey things. Like I have a couple figurines that I got when I was in college. They're also in storage right now, and I have a few stuffed animals. But I have since told my family that I don't want to continue those collections, so I just told people not to. You know, if they're going to Disney or something like that, I'm like, don't bring back anything Dopey. I know I like it and I appreciate the thought, but I just don't want to collect anymore. Just don't have the space for it. So now, saying that, when my husband's dad passed away, a year after his mom passed away, there was a letter from his mom, I think, in the will, and they willed us their Precious Moment collection. So it is 2 big curio cabinets full of precious moments. Now, they wrote in the letter that they would be very heartbroken if we got rid of them. So we do have them, but I do not want to continue to collect anymore. So that is that. I can't show you them right now because, like I said, I'm driving, but maybe I will show you later on another vlog, just to show you a quick glimpse of how many we have. It's a lot. There's 2 pretty large curio cabinets, and they're stuffed full of precious moments, and they're really cute. But I just don't have a need for it. Like as it is, it was like hard to try to find somewhere in our house to put them. So right now they're in our basement, and that's where they're going to stay for now. So that's that. That is Veda Day 23. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will check in with you guys tomorrow for Veda Day 24. Bye, guys.